Good morning and welcome to our ceremonial groundbreaking for the Deer Creek Greenway Connector. We are here today because of a partnership between the City of Brentwood and Great Rivers Greenway. We are partnering on the construction of the Deer Creek Greenway Connector, a new paved greenway connection between Rogers Parkway and the Deer Creek Greenway at Brentwood Boulevard and Marshall Avenue. The Deer Creek Greenway Connector project is something the City of Brentwood so strongly believed in that we chose to include it in our transformative Brentwood-bound plan. We are excited about the great potential of this Greenway Connector to enhance our community.
Great Rivers Greenway is proud to connect and extend the Deer Creek Greenway. As the mayor mentioned, it's going to connect over 28 miles. So we're really grateful. I want to thank Mayor Dimmitt, all of the alderpersons, everyone at Brentwood City Hall, and most especially the residents of Brentwood who had the foresight and the willingness to take on such a bold project that is incredible for not only themselves, but the legacy that you are leaving for your children in this community. It's really powerful. And we are excited, and it's raining, so I'm going to close my remarks and let's break some ground.